Welcome to HighReach Online Shopping. Let us go through the business plan of HighReach. For starting business and earning income, at first you have to create a free customer ID. Then activate this customer ID to a privilege or business ID. By purchasing any product cost rupees 750 or above from first purchase section in HighReach website highreach.net. If you need any help in this, your sponsor will help you. It is very easy to activate your ID by purchasing any product cost rupees 750 or above in HighReach website highreach.net. Now we can see what are the benefits of being a privileged customer. One, online grocery store for purchasing all grocery and household item with 10 to 30% discount from MRP or market price. In coming future, other categories like electronics, garments, vegetables are also will available through HighReach. In HighReach, there is a cash on delivery facility. Either you can pay online or you can select COD facility. You will get 5 to 30% discount. All the major brands are available in HighReach with huge discounts. All your favorite brands and products are available in HighReach up to 30% discount from market price. Now the last and main benefit of a privilege ID, that is business opportunity. You can achieve your financial goals and you can obtain financial freedom through this business opportunity. There are two income in this business. First one is first purchase income. Now we can check what is first purchase income. By activating your ID as a privilege ID, then you can invite your friends and families and other social media contacts. Suppose you have invited two persons A and B, then there is a one pair matching and you will get rupees 200. Likewise, if A invites C and D, then A will get rupees 200, and B invites E and F, then B will get rupees 200. At this time, you have two pairs matching under you, and so you will get rupees 400. By just adding 6%, you got rupees 600. Likewise, you can add any number of persons in your left and right side, but there is a daily limit for pair matching. In a single day, company will pay you a maximum 25 pair matching, that is rupees 5000 from a single user ID. Big income you can earn from HighReach is repurchase income. You know, all the products available in HighReach are daily essential products, and HighReach is having warehouses in each and every pin code, so the deliveries will complete within 2 or 3 hours from the order received. Customers are getting huge discount on each and every product, so everyone will choose HighReach only for purchasing their daily essential products. So you will get repurchase income for each and every time when the persons who are invited by you purchase from HighReach. You will get this income for lifelong. This is a simple and easy business opportunity for earning huge income.